There's a really quick way to dial for help on your iPhone, and I'm sure there's a way to do this on your Android as well. All you have to do is press the power button here 5 times. As you can hear, it's also doing a sort of noise as well, so if there's anyone around that you might be worried about, like a potential attacker, they may get scared off of that. But really the countdown is actually there to alert you that you're actually going to dial the emergency services. So how do you make sure that it's set up? Before I go into settings, I just wanted to say that my phone was on silent, so that noise does actually come on even if you are in silent mode. All you have to do is go into settings, go to Emergency SOS down here, and make sure the call with side button and the auto call is switched on. I also have the countdown sound down at the bottom switched on as well, so it makes that noise, because I think that alarm will help people. Please do share this. I think this is really important.